Hey everyone, what you're about to learn in this video has been reviewed and approved by expert mechanics here in the shop, so relax, this can be fixed. If your Corvette C6 Z06 suddenly shows the message, key fob not detected, the first thing you need to know is that it doesn't automatically mean the key fob is dead or that the car doesn't like you anymore. This warning appears when the system isn't receiving a clear signal from the fob, and most of the time it's not a serious issue. It's just the car saying, hey, I'm not hearing you very well. Now, the most common reason mechanics point out is the key fob battery. Even though it sounds obvious, a lot of people swear the battery is fine because the doors still unlock, but the Corvette is very sensitive to signal strength. If the battery is even slightly weak, the car may unlock but won't recognize the key to start, and that's when the message pops up. Following that same logic, several mechanics have found that the car's main battery also plays a role. When the vehicle battery is low or on its way out, the electronic modules start acting strange. Replace the car battery and, almost like magic, the key fob not detected message disappears without touching anything else. If you've already replaced both batteries and the message is still there, here's a well-known trick among C6 owners. Place the key fob in the glove box slot. That spot isn't just for show, it's the system's backup mode. With the fob there, the receiver is much closer. And if the issue is weak signal or interference, the car usually recognizes the key and lets you start without any drama. Speaking of interference, something interesting many owners mention is that other electronic devices can cause conflicts. Phones, chargers, cameras, or even other electronic keys near the fob can confuse the system. Some mechanics simply moved the phone away from the center console and the problem went away. Yes, the Corvette really is that sensitive. When none of this works, things get more technical. In several cases, the real culprit turned out to be the keyless entry receiver module, known as the RCDLR, or sometimes the BCM. When that module starts failing, the car stops hearing the fobs properly, even brand new ones. Many mechanics report that after replacing that module, the issue was permanently resolved. There's also the matter of key reprogramming. Some owners manage to do it by following the manual's procedure, while others struggle because the system is very picky about timing and steps. In more complicated cases, you'll need a professional scan tool or someone with real Corvette experience.